Originally when I was involved, I was playing on the pitch with the guys and against the guys and fearing for my life, marking some of the greatest players of the game. One of my first years I was playing corner forward and I was marking Tommy Walsh from Kilkenny, and he was as nice as fella as you could meet, chatting as we were lining up and all, and I thought, here, he'll take it handy on me, you know, I'm just a woman coming in marking one of the greatest players of all time. The first ball came in, it was a high ball, I went up to control it and he literally came powering out, the hand was nearly taken and all, and I said, I'm not going to put my hand up for the second ball that comes in. He didn't give me an inch.
Kids come to a hurling match, get to see, if they're a racing fan, plenty of racing personalities and, you know, all the hurling stars that play their part in such a great cause as well. They're hanging around on the pitch afterwards to see any of the gates afterwards. The kids are 10 deep trying to run in, get autographs, get pictures, and that's, you know, all part of the fun for them on the evening. And we're all here for a bigger cause, but people want to come and enjoy themselves as well.
I met the late Professor John Fitzpatrick years ago. In the more recent times then I got a letter from him, and he was looking for a donation for cancer research. Anyway, I sent him a cheque. I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't enough. And he came back to me again and he said, with your contacts, you should be able to do something good for cancer research. Just got the idea, could we sell this? So I went to Davy Russell. Davy thought it was a good idea and we'd give it a go. We didn't know if anybody would turn up. I remember saying to my wife when we were passing the cemetery on the way in, I said, what do we do if there's nobody here? Last year we had 10,000 here in Carlow, so it just snowballed from there.
A great event, a great evening, which raised a lot of funds for cancer research. Last year there was a massive crowd here with a great evening, and there was a lot of players here on both teams as well that were willing to get involved and come and enjoy the evening, and I suppose be part of something that's built over the last 10 or 12 years, I think it is, with Davy Russell and Jim Bulger, into a big event now. So it's it's great, like, and people love getting involved in it.
Cancer charities have always been at the heart of something that Centra's cared about, and this opportunity came to us last year, so we decided to take it on. We've taken our milk carton, our Centra milk carton this year, and put Hurling for Cancer on the side of it. It has a QR code that you can scan to donate or to buy tickets, so literally at the breakfast table every morning or in the evening, Hurling for Cancer is going to sit on people's tables this year.
One of my favourite memories from the last couple of years in Hurling for Cancer was my good friend Sean O'Brien, Irish rugby player. When I approached him and I said, would he come along and get involved in some guys, you know, and I was thinking maybe down the lines of an umpire or a linesman, but he said, absolutely not. If I'm going, I'm playing. I want a hurl in my hand. And so Sean tagged along that occasion, and I think he broke 3 hurls. So it just goes to show you the competitive nature of the man. Let's not get away from the fact that it's about raising money for, you know, a very worthwhile cause. So, you know, it's great that Carlow GA can play that little bit of that small part in that, raising that money.